Attitude is altitude. Attitude means our way of thinking. Altitude means height from the surface of the earth. Now let's read lesson. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning, to help you scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? When you wake up in the morning from sleep, generally you stretch your hands at each side. You scratch your hand or leg or on your body when it itches. Sometimes you hug your mom or dad, wrapping your arms around them, showing affection. Is it or not? But when would you do these actions? With what would you do these actions? We can say absolutely when you have hands. We do these actions with hands only. Without hands, how do you stretch them? How do you scratch when it itches? How do you hug someone whom you love very much? Are these actions possible without hands? No. Similarly, suppose when you go along the street, when you see the pebbles means small round stones. When you see the pebbles, you kick them, you want to kick them for fun, generally. But to kick pebbles, to walk, to run, to ride bicycle, to run on skateboard. You know skateboard means? Skateboard is a small narrow board having wheels at each side to ride on that. And to move from one place to another place, here is one phrase is given to you. From point A to point B. From point A to point B means from one place to another place. How do you move? How do you go without legs? How do you go from one place to another place without legs? Is it possible to go? No, not at all. Then imagine both at once. Both means here, both means having no hands, having no legs. Imagine both at once. When you do not have hands and legs, how would your life? Imagine yourselves that you have no hands and legs. How would it be? Won't it be dreadful? Yes. When it is dreadful to imagine ourselves, but here a man named Nick Vujicic, he has faced this problem in his whole life. He has faced the problem having no hands, no legs. Did you know this kind of story anywhere? Have you heard something like this before? Nick Vujicic was born with no arms or legs, but he does not let the details stop him. The brave 26-year-old, who is mainly torso, plays football and golf, swims and surfs despite having no limbs. Limbs means here organs, his hands and legs. Nick Vujicic, when he was born, he had no arms, no legs. Just he was born as torso. Torso means main part of the body. It means having no hands, no legs. Just main part of the body. We can say the trunk of the human body. Even though he has no hands, no legs, he can play football, golf, he can swim and surf. Even though he has disability means that he has no hands and legs, his disability could not stop his success or achievement in his life. Here, one phrase is given, the details means here his disability, that he has no hands and legs. Even though he has no hands and legs, his thoughts could not stop his achievement or success. Nick has a small foot on his left hip, which helps him balance and enables him to kick. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen and pick things up between his toes. Nick has no hands, but he has a small foot on his left hip. It helps him to stand firmly and it helps him to kick. He uses that small foot, to write, to type. And sometimes it helps him to take things, taking them into toes. I call it my chicken drumstick. The I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. Nick was born in Melbourne, in Australia, but he lives in Los Angeles. Nick Vujicic calls his small foot as a chicken drumstick. Why does he call his small foot as a chicken drumstick? Means it looks like as a chicken leg piece when it cooked. In this paragraph, you have to understand one thing. In the first paper, in the section A, 2 passages will be given to you. Under the first passage, there are 7 questions will be given to you. First 4 questions with multiple answers and the other 3 questions with 1 mark questions. Yes, here you may have asked a question among the first 4 questions or other 3 questions. What does I refer to? This passage will be given to you and question will be asked, what does I refer to? Here I refers to Nick Vujicic. Similarly, another question, what does it refer to? It here, what does it refer to? It refers to his small foot which is on his left hip. If you have asked another question, what is chicken drumstick means, you would have to write answer, his small foot. Tells that I would be lost without it. I would be lost without it. I means here that you have known Nick Vujicic. Lost it, without it, it means here his small foot. What he says, I would be lost without it. It means if he had not that small foot, he would not be there. That is, Have you understood? If he had not that small foot, he would not be there. That is. Next, due to his faith as an evangelical Christian, Nick has chosen to remain a virgin until marriage, although he has had long-term girlfriends in the past. Nick Vujicic is a Christian. He has faith in Jesus. He believed the God Jesus. Due to his faith in Christianity, he did not want to marry. He wanted to be a virgin until marriage. Although he had many proposals from women to get married. Virgin means never having sexual contacts with women. Because of having faith in God, he wanted to be a virgin until his marriage. He is very modest, but he gets marriage proposals from women all the time, said Nick's friend and publicist Steve Appel from Los Angeles. Nick Vujicic had a friend in Los Angeles. His name Steve Appel, a publicist. He describes Nick as a modest man or boy. Even though he is a modest, he got many proposals from women to get married, but he is waiting for the right girl. Next, he would love to get married and start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl to come along. Nick Vujicic thinks to love and marry a woman means a young lady to start a family, but he is waiting for the right girl. Right girl means one who understands him well. Next, water sports aren't Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin and is a huge fan of the English Premier League. Nick Vujicic not only plays water sports, but also he plays golf tucking the stick under his chin, and also he is a huge fan of EPL. EPL means English Premier League. His parents decided not to send him to a special school, a decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. Nick's parents took a decision to send him to a general school, not to special school. That decision was hard for Nick, but they took the correct decision. It made him the best. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. His distraught mother could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. When Nick Vujicic was born in the hospital, when his father looked at him, he was shocked and he went out of the hospital room to vomit. His mother, she was upset to look him. She could not take him into her lap until he got 4 months old. His disability came without any medical explanation, a rare occurrence called phocomelia, And Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick would happen to them. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself, he said. Nick Vujicic has a disability. In medical language, that disability is called phocomelia. Phocomelia means a rare occurrence. It happens in thousands. One. Nick's parents spent many years worrying about his disability, asking why it would happen to their family. It means their son. Here, Nick Vujicic is telling my mother means Nick's mother. His mother is a nurse. She took everything right when she was pregnant, but she still blames herself why it was happened to her son. In this video, you have learned the lesson up to here. The next part of the lesson will be done in the next video.